What's up, guys? So it's currently 6 in the morning right now, and I'm going to attempt to install some side skirts on my car before we head out to Anaheim at 7:30 and go to a car meet. So this is gonna be fun. I'm gonna try to install these real quick. Hopefully it works. Already ran into another problem. Besides it being so damn early, cold, and dark, is I have to remove the rear mud guards, and that's gonna take a while. I thought I'd be able to nail this installation in like an hour, but having removed that, I'm gonna have to find the tools for it, or even like take off the wheel real quick. It's not quick. Guess I'm gonna have to tackle this tomorrow. We're gonna head over to Starbucks right now, meet up with the guys. We are going to mob it to Anaheim, so. I'm already not having a good day. Cut myself shaving this morning and couldn't even install my car parts this morning. I kept doing this all morning when I was filming. I was like, hey guys. Cut myself, you'll see. Oh! Look who finally decided to show up. Hey. What up, man?
Bro, it took a while because she was getting here.
Ah, no worries.
I got my boy.
I can't tell if this is silver or white. This is a completely different chassis from the other one, huh?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. My bad, baller.
Bro.
My bad, baller. Alright, let's get it. So here's a little hack. You guys don't know how dirty this thing is. You don't know who's touching it, so always grab a paper towel to pump your gas. It's filling up right now. Lexus boys. Hi Mark, so where are we at?
Where are we at again? We're in Honda Center.
At the Honda Center, the Super Street X Toyota tires meet. Dude, I'm so hyped I got to see this in person. In a wide body. If I could swap the new interior into the old one, I get the old one. I need heated seats. Best car at the meet.
That's the most souped up car ever.
Full VIP. And it has a sick bumper. I just want to do this low. Got some bird poop right here. Probably the best mod you can get. Damn. Once again. This is so sick. This is clean.
Yeah. Just like we're saying.
Jesus. That is clean. When you're balling so hard, you don't even have to camber your freaking wheels. You just camber your doors. So instead of cleaning my car at the meet like everyone else, I'm gonna just mod my car at the meet.
I'll take a 71 over.
So we just finished the meet. Now we're over here at Tasty. Trying to get these cars to park right.
Jay, what about you? You're on the line.
Yeah, I'm calling you out.
I was the first one here. I can do whatever I want. What the fuck? For the vlog.
Yeah, you can take a picture.
If you guys haven't tried this, it's this shit. What's up, guys? I rushed all the way home just so I can install these parts. It's raining, but I'm still going to try to install these parts just for you guys. So the car meet was awesome. I got to see so many cool cars. My car was so damn dirty. Honestly, I just wanted to go and have fun. I saw a lot of cars that I've seen on Instagram in person. And let me tell you, those cars look so much cooler in person. So I'm going to try and install these parts that I've been waiting to install for the longest time. So there's this one part that I didn't think would fit on my car and I somehow got it to fit. I was too excited last night, so I, didn't film it, but I'm gonna show you guys how they look on the car. It's raining a lot. Been wanting rear spats for a while. They're carbon fiber, but I got them paint matched. They look kind of off because the car is dirty and those are like freshly painted. I think it looks pretty okay. It kind of goes with Tom's diffuser. Very subtle. I thought it would look okay. It's a little baby mod, but it's there. You guys can see 1 and 2. Very subtle. I think it looks dope. Yeah, let's go ahead and get to this install. So here are the parts that I got. Got some side skirt extensions, paint matched, and my girlfriend got me this awesome roof spoiler for Christmas. And I also got it paint matched. These will make me look a little lower on the sides, so I'm excited for that. I know you guys are thinking, why did I cheap out? I personally wanted to go with Cybon, but I couldn't justify spending $700 for 2 carbon fiber side skirt extensions that I'm gonna paint match. And if these break, it's not gonna hurt my wallet or anything. It sucks, but it's replaceable. I mean, that's the reason why I went with those. Another member on the forums actually told me about them. They seem to be really good. They look good on his car. I think it looks dope. And hopefully you guys will like it too. Let's go ahead and get started. The first thing I know for sure I'm gonna have to do is remove the mudguard. It's gonna be a pain, but I think I'm gonna be able to do it. There's this one screw right there and another one right here. So we'll try that out. Fuck yeah. Got this dumb shit off. Let's get it. So far not as fun as I wanted it to be. Should have gotten a low profile jack and asked someone to help me. It started pouring really hard, but I'm not gonna stop till I finish this. Installing parts in the rain. Oh, butt is getting wet. I am so soaked, and fuck this. I'm installing this tomorrow. I thought I could beat the clock. Left my roof open, god damn it. I don't know if it was worth it to get sick for you guys, but I got one side skirt lip on. I think it looks dope. You guys definitely gotta check it out. Damn, looks pretty okay. Damn. It looks so tight, but still needs more low. Whew. I think I got room for one more mod. I think I can quickly install my roof spoiler. Fingers crossed, fingers crossed. I'm wiping it down right now. Just drying it off real quick. And that's how you successfully install parts in the rain. I'm freezing, I'm soaked, but I'm also hyped. This looks so sick. Damn, I'm so hyped on the roof spoiler, low key. I just love how much it sticks out. Damn. Let me know what you guys think. Thank you for watching me just suffer, cry, and freeze, and get soaked. More videos to come. But yeah, thank you guys again so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Oh.